Hello mga yarn! Welcome to my channel. I'm your Amigurumi Ninja, and for today's video, we're going to make a tutorial for Elmo Amigurumi from Sesame Street. Sigurado ako lahat kayo alam ito. Siyempre, bago tayo mag-start, please don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and bell button for more videos. Shoutout kay Miss May sa pagpapagawa. Kay Elmo, suki ko na siya. Thank you so much. So ito nga pala yung mga kakailangan natin for hook, 5-ply white yarn, red yarn, at black yarn. So start tayo sa paggawa ng magic ring. And pull over, then tie. Make sure na mahigpit. Parang yung jowa mo, char. And start tayo sa round 1. 6 single crochet on magic ring. Okay, 1. First single crochet, second single crochet, up to 6 single crochet on magic ring. And then after natin sa 6 single crochet, count natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So higpitan na natin. And after natin mahigpitan, need natin siya to close the round 1. And to do that, count natin, ito yung first single crochet. Insert natin yung hook sa first single crochet, then medyo mahirap lang. Ito yung technique ko. Hinuhook ko yung dalawang loop, back and front, then pull over. After nyan, slip stitch, and then make 1 chain after to close the round 1. Ito, chain natin. Okay. Make sure na mahigpit yung natin. Higpitan maigi. And for round 2, we'll have to make 6 increase in our 6 single crochet. Sana all may increase. And ang first single crochet, then after same stitch, crochet ulit. Yan ang first increase natin. So repeat lang natin sa 5 stitches. Close na natin ulit siya. Slip stitch, then chain.
Okay, for round 3,
we'll have to make increase on the first stitch. So yun yung increase natin. For the next stitch, 1 single crochet. So yan, we'll have to repeat that another 5 times. Then yun, close ulit natin yung round 3 by doing slip stitch on the first single crochet. Medyo mahirap lang talaga. Slip stitch, then make 1 chain to close. Okay. For round 4, you have to make 1 single crochet on the first stitch, and then increase on the next stitch. 1, 2. Next, for the third stitch, make 2 single crochet and then an increase, and then repeat that 5 times. So yun na nga, yung 2 single crochet and increase, i-repeat natin for 5 times. And then after nun, we'll make 1 final single crochet for this round. And then close it by doing a slip stitch on the first single crochet. Medyo mahirap lang talaga gawin yung pag-close, pero masasanay din kayo. Yan. Slip stitch and then 1 chain. Okay, for round 5, we have to make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. And then an increase on the third stitch. 1, same stitch, 2. Okay. Then next is 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. For the next stitch, we'll have to make increase. 1, same stitch. For the rest, we'll have to repeat that 5 times. And for the last stitch, we'll make a single crochet, then close by doing a slip stitch again and 1 chain.
For the next round, round 6, make 2 single crochet and then increase 1, same stitch, 2, okay. Next 4 single crochet and an increase, 3, 4, and an increase, 1, same stitch, okay. Repeat that 5 times. After that, make 2 single crochet and then close it by making a slip stitch and a chain. Okay, for round 7 to round 9, we'll have to make 36 single crochet. Then after nyan, ito na itsura niya. Yan. And then we'll have to close it by doing a slip stitch at the first single crochet of round 9 and chain. Okay, for round 10, ito yung medyo mahirap. We'll have to start with 9 single crochet. Then yun na. For number 10, we'll have to make a back loop slip stitch. Napansin nyo yung back loop yung hinuhok ko for the 10th stitch. Okay, make a slip stitch. Okay. Then yun na, make 16 chain after the slip stitch. Ayan, count natin yung 16 stitch from dun sa nag-slip stitch tayo. Okay, just remember where to start. Okay, ito minark ko yung back loop for the back loop slip stitch. Then, insert natin yung hook dun sa back loop. And then, slip stitch. Then, after natin ng slip stitch, we'll have to make 9 single crochet for the rest of the round. Okay. Ito na itsura niya, then yan, makikita niya we already have the mouth of Elmo. Okay, we have to close it by doing a slip stitch and chain. So by the way guys, you can also follow me on my TikTok account, your Amigurumi Ninja, and Facebook. Baka naman. Hello! Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. So sa round 11 natin, we have to make 36 single crochet. Okay. Ito nga pala yung part na mahirap is sa may mouth. Pero kaya naman yan. Unti-untiin lang. Pakita ko na lang kung paano ko ginawa. So ayan yung technique, i-hook nyo, then saka kayo mag single crochet, do that for 16 single crochet. So ayun, tapusin nyo lang yan 16 chain na yan. Na yung end ng round 11, close it by doing a slip stitch and then chain. Ayan na itsura nya. Ready na makipagmarites. Okay, for the next part, we'll make the mouth, the black inside the mouth, this one. Okay, so stay tuned sa next part.